This year, resolve to grow. Did you know that gardening is the #1 hobby in the United States? Gardening helps to improve your body, mind, diet, and so much more. We will be sharing many reasons why this year you should choose gardening as your New Year's resolution and resolve to grow. Ah, the delicious tomato. What's better than eating a vine-ripened tomato that you grew yourself? In case you were wondering, a tomato is technically a fruit because it's seed-bearing and develops from the ovary of a flowering plant. But when it comes to nutrition, tomatoes, along with seedy cucumbers and zucchini, are categorized as vegetables. That's due in part to their lower carb and sugar contents. A medium tomato provides you just 22 calories and about 5 grams of total carb, with 3 as sugar and 1.5 as fiber. But this low-calorie, low-carb package is chock full of nutrients and has been linked to a variety of health benefits. Here's just some simple ways to incorporate more tomatoes into your everyday meals and snacks. A single tomato can provide about 40% of the daily recommended minimum of vitamin C. What's more, tomatoes supply vitamin A, which supports immunity, vision, and skin health, vitamin K, which is good for your bones, and potassium, a key nutrient for heart function, muscle contractions, and maintaining a healthy blood pressure and fluid balance. Tomatoes contain an antioxidant called lycopene, which is responsible for the red color. Research suggests that in terms of heart health benefits, it's more effective to eat tomatoes and tomato products than to take lycopene as a supplement. Other studies have shown that higher blood levels of lycopene are tied to lower death rates for people with metabolic syndrome, a cluster of risk factors that raise the chances of developing heart disease, diabetes, and stroke.
Veggie fact.
Veggie fact. The biggest tomato fight in the world happens each year in the small Spanish town of Buñol. The festival, called La Tomatina, involves some 40,000 people throwing 150,000 tomatoes at each other. Sounds like fun. Lycopene is also good for your eyes, and that's not the only peeper protective nutrient in tomatoes. They contain lutein and beta-carotene as well. According to research, these nutrients support vision and protect us against eye conditions including cataracts and macular degeneration. The fluid and fiber in tomatoes may be helpful if you're prone to constipation. According to the USDA, one large tomato contains 6 ounces of fluid and 1.5 grams of fiber. Just be aware that in some people, the acidity from cooked tomatoes may trigger or worsen acid reflux and indigestion. Tomatoes may be a protective food for people with type 2 diabetes. In one study, people with diabetes who supplemented with cooked tomatoes for 30 days experienced a decrease in lipid peroxidation, a chain reaction in which substances called free radicals attack fat, leading to damage that ups the risk of heart disease. This is particularly important because diabetes doubles the risk of stroke and heart attack. A 2011 study found that the combination of tomato paste and olive oil protected against sun damage, and it boosted production of procollagen, a molecule that gives skin its structure and keeps it firm and youthful. Scientists believe that lycopene in the tomatoes is key. It's at its highest concentration when tomatoes have been cooked, and olive oil boosts the absorption from your digestive system into your bloodstream. You can incorporate tomatoes into your diet in a number of forms: fresh, dried, or as a sauce, salsa, or paste. This allows you to enjoy tomatoes year-round. As a bonus, down in the comments we've included a recipe for pasta with no-cooked tomato sauce. No-cooked tomato sauce sounds pretty easy, and it is delicious. Add fresh tomatoes to omelets and salads, and serve them sliced, drizzled with balsamic and garnished with fresh basil, sea salt, and cracked black pepper. Dress fresh greens or steamed veggies with sun-dried tomato pesto, or drizzle it over broiled fish. Toss spaghetti squash or beans with tomato sauce and use it as a topping for sauteed green beans or potatoes. Add salsa to scrambled eggs or a taco salad, or spoon it on to cooked fish, black beans, or brown rice. Use tomato paste in veggie chili or mix it with hummus along with roasted garlic.
Bon appetit!
So there you have it, some great reasons to grow tomatoes to include in your diet and your family's diet. Did you know here at Stutzmans we grow over 30 different varieties of tomatoes? If you need help deciding which variety is best for you, feel free to contact us at questions@stutzmans.com. We hope these facts about the beloved tomato inspire you to resolve to grow. Tomatoes! Click the subscribe button and you'll be in the know with videos about gardening, decorating, and even more. For updates on everything happening at Stutzmans and a few giggles, like us on Facebook.